Hi, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a hair wig review. So it's a short and wavy with front bang hair wig. It's a brown and blonde highlighting hair wig. So it's a 14 inches long. In case you guys are looking for a short wavy hair wig, then definitely this review will help you. So I have ordered it from Amazon. So let's open it and see how it looks on me. So this is the wig. So they have like different color, but I choose this brown and blonde highlighting. This is from the brand NAYASA, and it comes with this wig and this wig cap. So let's open this wig, and so it's a synthetic wig. It's not like a real hair. So let's see. So this is the wig, you can see. So in the inside you can see, this is how the inside portion look. It's like a really, it's not like completely blocked, so I think it's like a really comfortable to wear because it's not completely blocked. So this is, and this portion is like a clip-on wig. You can just attach it on your head. It's really easy. So let's see. And the mid portion, you can see it here. This is how it looks. So let's see. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, it looks cute. So in case you guys are looking for this brown and blonde highlighting wig, then definitely you can check it in Amazon. And this they have also black and all the colors, but I choose this one because I was thinking to try my hair with brown and blonde highlighting just to see how it looks. So yeah, I can wear it sometimes when I feel like I want my hair like brown color, then definitely I can try this one. And it looks like really good. And it feels nice, and I really like wigs because I don't want to try my hair with different colors. That's why I always try different wigs or hair extension, because these are like easier option, and it keeps your hair safe because you just have to wear it like a cap. So it's like a completely easy option. I really like this wig because the color looks pretty, and I really like this color, but I don't want to cut my hair like this way and color my hair with brown and blonde. I will never do that. In case you guys don't want to color your hair but want like brown hair highlighting, then definitely you can choose this one. So I'll put the link in the description box, so in case you guys looking for this kind of wig, and can check in Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.